What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today it's breakfast. And we're going to make a breakfast pot pie. Yeah, a breakfast pot pie. Plain and simple, easy. I got some thick hash browns, some bacon, some sausage, some eggs, some sour cream. Got my pan. I'm just going to take some of my hash browns and pour them out onto said pan. I throw these in my oven. My oven's preheated to 400 degrees, and we're just gonna wait until they get golden brown. All right, so I'm gonna throw my sausages on my little skillet here. Good. We're just gonna let that sit and cook on down. Put the lid on it, make sure everything gets nice and steamed and cooked and just good. I have a pack of canned biscuits. So you don't want to make your own biscuits because it seems intimidating or whatever else, and you just want to use a can. We're just gonna use a can today, because I know some people aren't comfortable making their own biscuits. All right, so we have our pie pan here, and I'm going to use the canned biscuits. I was indeed informed that this here is a pie pan. I don't know what it is, it doesn't say. What we're going to say it's a pie pan. I know somebody's going to go in the comments and say, that's not a pie pan. Just chill, okay? We don't have a pie pan, so we're using this. So I'm going to spray this down. All right, just like that. 4 biscuits. It's simple. We made the pie bottom. We still got 4 other biscuits. If you wanted to add another one in there to kind of like make sure your sides are good and everything, that's up to you. I'm good with 3, or good with 4, I mean. We're going to get a bowl, and we're just going to take our sausage, pop it in that bowl. Don't matter if you break it up, that's fine. And then our bacon. And just set that bowl off to the side. So now in here, I'm just going to drop my eggs. Splash of milk in there. So I add some cheese onto that egg. I got Kobe Jack and I got Pepper Jack. Throw my sausage on in there with my eggs. Get it mixed up. And just start slicing it up. Alright, I got my hash browns out the oven. I'm going to put them right on in with my eggs. So our hash browns are in. Start mixing that bowl we had earlier. We're going to utilize that bowl. Alright, so we got a mixture here. We're going to grab our sour cream, our Dollop Daisy. Scoop. Scoop. I'm just going to start mixing that on in with everything, getting that hash browns incorporated with the eggs and the sausage and the bacon, getting it all nice and mixed up. Besides, potatoes and sour cream go great together. So I'm going to add in some salt and some pepper. And we got our mixture. Scoop it on in. A few breathing holes. I got some room temperature butter, and I'm just going to start dressing the top. Black pepper on there. And let's pop this bad boy in the oven. And they'll golden brown. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and cut into this, give it a try, see how it tastes. I'm excited. I hope you are. At that. Oh, man. This looks absolutely positively amazing. You know, I can't wait to try it. But, of course, you got to add some country gravy on top. I know myself, and I love crushed red pepper. Flavor test. Mm-hmm. Breakfast pot pie. Oh, oh my. All right, y'all. I love you. Make this for the weekend. You won't disappoint. I promise. Everybody is going to love this. And it's easy, it's simple, and it's absolutely delicious. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.